Mirror dash cams can make driving feel a lot less stressful, especially when they also cover what happens behind you. Today, we're going from the weakest option to the strongest, so stay until the end if you want the top picks. Starting at number 5, we have the most basic option in this lineup. And I'll say it honestly, this one is not here because it beats the others in video quality. It is here because it has a different focus. Clean installation, simple daily use, and a more factory-style look. What stands out is the OEM-style mirror design. Instead of feeling like a big screen strapped over your existing mirror, it is made to look more integrated. The detachable front camera is also useful because you can position it more freely instead of being locked into one awkward mirror angle. In everyday driving, that can make the setup feel cleaner and less distracting. But here's the point you need to know. The recording is only 1080p front and rear, while the stronger models in this list move up to 4K front and 2.5K rear. There is also no confirmed Wi-Fi, no confirmed app control, no ADAS, and no blind spot detection. So if you want sharper evidence after an accident, this one is clearly behind the top 3. This is best for someone who wants a neat mirror replacement and a practical backup camera style setup more than the sharpest dash cam footage. If you care more about safety alerts and higher video detail, the next model already starts to feel more advanced. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. At number 4, we have the model that is not the sharpest, but it does bring something very useful: driver assist features. And this is where things get interesting, because on paper the video resolution is weaker, but the safety tools make it more than just a simple recording mirror. The big advantage here is the blind spot detection system, together with ADAS, lane change assist, cross-traffic alert, and GPS. In real driving, that means it is trying to help before something happens, not only record what happened afterward. If you drive in busy traffic, change lanes often, or park in tight areas, that extra warning layer can feel genuinely helpful. But there is a catch. Officially, this unit is listed as 1080p front and rear, and that puts it behind the 4K and 2.5K options above it. There is also some inconsistency across listings, with one retail version showing higher recording claims, so I would be careful and check the exact version before buying. And there is no confirmed Wi-Fi or app control, which makes it feel less modern than the higher-ranked options. This one makes sense if you care more about blind spot alerts than maximum video sharpness. But if your priority is clear license plates, stronger night detail, and a more current feature set, the next product is the first big step up. And if this video is helping you compare the right mirror dash cam, hit like and subscribe to the channel. At number 3, we finally move into the higher resolution group. And compared with the previous 2 models, the difference is pretty clear right away. This one is built more like a serious dash cam, not just a mirror with a camera attached. The front camera uses a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, and the setup records 4K in front and 2.5K in the rear. That matters in simple terms. Road signs, plates, and small details should have a better chance of being readable. You also get Wi-Fi, app control, voice control, GPS, a large 12-inch screen, and support for up to 512 GB storage. That storage support is the strongest in this lineup, but it is not the most complete package. The main missing piece is confirmed driver assistance. There is no confirmed ADAS or blind spot detection here, while the top 2 models give you more safety features. Parking monitoring also needs a separate hardwire kit, so don't expect the full parking setup to work right out of the box. This is a strong pick if video quality and storage capacity matter more to you than driver assist alerts. If you want a mirror cam that records clearly and can hold a lot of footage, it makes a lot of sense. But if you want more built-in safety tech, the next 2 are stronger. At number 2, we have one of the most balanced high-resolution options here. And in my experience with this type of product category, this is exactly where small details start to matter. Many mirror dash cams look similar, but the sensor, HDR, and app experience can change how easy they feel day to day. This unit gives you 4K front recording, 2.5K rear recording, dual HDR, a Sony STARVIS 2 front sensor, GPS, voice control, Wi-Fi, and a 12-inch screen. Compared with the previous model, it feels a bit more rounded because it adds confirmed ADAS support. That means it is not only recording the road, but also giving you some driving alerts. The limitation is blind spot detection. It is not confirmed here, and that is one reason it does not take the top spot. Storage support also appears to top out at 256 GB, while the previous model supports more. And for full parking protection, you may still need the right hardwire setup, depending on how you want to use it. This is the one I'd look at if you want excellent video specs, app control, HDR, GPS, and driver alerts without overcomplicating the setup. It is very close to number 1, but the top pick adds one key thing that makes it feel more complete. And at number 1, we have the most complete overall option in this comparison. It does not win because of one single feature. It wins because the whole package feels the most balanced. Video quality, rear camera quality, safety alerts, connectivity, and parking support are all covered well. The front camera records in 4K with a Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, and the rear camera records at 2.5K with a Sony sensor as well. That rear camera detail is important because a lot of mirror dash cams focus heavily on the front and treat the rear as an afterthought. Here you also get ADAS, blind spot detection, GPS, Wi-Fi, app control, voice control, and OBD-based parking monitoring support. There are still a few things to keep in mind. Storage support appears to be limited to 256 GB, which is lower than the third-place model. Bundle contents can vary, so you should check whether the memory card and cable length match what you need. And one owner review mentioned memory card issues in heat above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, so that is worth knowing if you live somewhere very hot. For most people, though, this is the strongest pick because it does the most things well. It is the best choice if you want sharp front and rear footage, safety alerts, a big screen, and modern controls in one package. It is not perfect, but as a full mirror dash cam setup, it is the one I would put at the top. Check the links in the description to see the top products and current best prices. And if this review helped you choose the right mirror dash cam, like the video and subscribe to the channel.